Do you know that you can elevate your dish with Gino chicken spice? Let me show you how to make vegetable sauce with fried potatoes. If you've been wondering how to enjoy your potatoes, there are so many ways to do that, and this is one way that you can enjoy potatoes. First, you're going to cut your potatoes, wash them, salt it, and fry. Okay, cut into your desired shape. I used one little cutter to achieve this shape. Okay, it was very easy to do, so you do not have to worry so much. If you don't have something fancy, go ahead to use your knife, cut your potatoes into small shapes and fry. When you're done doing this, drain out your oil and go ahead to make your vegetable sauce. Now you're going to add palm oil into your pan. You're going to go in with some sliced fresh tomato and onion. Then you go in with your blended pepper and onion mix. The next thing you're going to do is to fry this for about 2 minutes. Then you go in with your fresh egg. Now adding your egg and fry for a minute before you go in with your crayfish and seasoning. Now for this mix, what I have here is crayfish, some ginger and garlic seasoning, a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and some chicken seasoning. Sorry. What you want to do is to make sure that your seasoning is so little. Here is more of the crayfish rather than seasoning. Your seasoning should be very little to avoid it being salty. Now to the key ingredient of the day, the Gino chicken cube. I'm going to add it in and fry this for a bit. Then I'll go with my sliced vegetable and add in a little bit of water. Allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes and your sauce is ready. By the way, I fried this for about a minute before going in with my water. Okay, now the water is just to help the vegetable cook for a while before I bring this down. Okay, so once this have simmered for 2 minutes, I'm going to take it out from it and serve. And guys, you've made yourself a very delicious vegetable sauce with potatoes. So the next time you're thinking of how to make potatoes or how to enjoy your potatoes, you can do this and serve it as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'll see you in my next recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment and share. Tell me what you think about this recipe, so you don't have to worry if you don't have so much protein to make your sauce. Just your egg can do the work. Thank you for watching. Bye, neighbors.